Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's memory planning layout, I have pulled out a stamp set. This is the Heidi Swap one from Stamp Society subscription from last month. I just haven't used it, so I definitely want to use the thinner, kind of slender captions, and I think I'm going to give like each picture like a little bit of a prompt. So kind of like work day for this one, bridal shower, and then good vibes. And then, you know, for this one, craft time, best dad, and school days or something like that. That way each little journaling section goes to a certain photo, and that way I have it all taken care of. So I'm going to show you scrapbook paper. I'm just probably going to make 2 columns and then stamping on these to have easy journaling prompts. And for stamping, I'm going to use abandoned coral and or carved pumpkin because they kind of pick up on these colors here. So let's put this one together. I'm gonna put you on fast forward. Okay, let's get started on this layout, and we'll be starting off with the scrapbook paper, of course, to kind of get our bookend foundation for this memory planning spread. This one is from, I want to say it's a She's Magical by Dear Lizzie. I could be wrong. It's been in my stash, so we decided to use it today. And so I love the way that this came together using the stamps, because like I said, I want to use them as a little bit of a jumping off point. And these photos were great memories for the week. So when I came up with my little captions, I decided to use this stamp from Heidi Swap because it reminds me a little bit of a like Ray Dunn, very narrow and tall. And so I love that look, and I'm using the abandoned coral from Ranger Distress Oxide inks, and I love the color because it worked perfectly with the coral in the paper that I am using for the background. And so if you don't know about the Stamp Society, it's by Heidi Swap, but it's $20 a month, and you get a 6x8 stamp set every month. And this one was last month. It was an alpha. The month before that, it was a beautiful like bunting banner kind of one to make. And then this last month was a lot of different sentiments to use for all sorts of layouts. So I definitely love the Stamp Set Society, and this one is great. So I will definitely be using stamps again in my layouts. This one worked out great for the moments I captured here, and I will definitely be kind of introducing more stamping in my layouts. Okay, I went through my stash and added a few little sentiments on either side of the photos just to kind of balance it out and fill up some of that space. And then I had this little square sheet of like glitter stickers that I've done some little confettis around it just to add a little bit more detailed. And I probably will kill this sheet. I'll probably just sprinkle them through the top of the numbers just so that I don't keep this little sticker sheet with a few stickers on it. So I hope you start to incorporate some stamping into your memory planning. It was a great way, like I said, for some prompts for your journaling, and I will be definitely doing this technique again in future layouts. Till next time, everyone, have a good day, and please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye!